Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a chit chat, get ready with me, and it's gonna be hair, makeup, and outfit. And I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna be talking about OnlyFans. I'm gonna be talking about a lot of other stuff, and I hope you guys stay tuned. So I wanted to do a chit chat, get ready with me, makeup, hair, and outfit edition. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I thought it would be nice to do one. And the first topic I want to talk about is none other than OnlyFans. I'm gonna use the Jackie Aina palette. I'm gonna use ginger and credit. Ginger's transition credit to darken the outer V area. I actually did a look like this already, so I'm just recreating it and showing you guys my outfit and stuff. I feel like I'm not trying to knock, let's get this out the way first. I'm not trying to knock anybody's hustle. I'm not trying to say it's wrong. Everybody have them tick a bush, but OnlyFans is not my tick a bush. So I know that certain people like Cardi B and Black China and the rest of them make a lot of money. Even regular women make a lot of money, but I feel like OnlyFans is no different than Pornhub or any of these sex sites that you have online where you can live chat a woman or a man or whatever. I feel like it's no different than that, and you're basically just selling sex. And I know that a lot of people go on OnlyFans and they only post like sexy lingerie pictures, sexy lingerie videos or swimsuit videos. Not everybody get naked and do sexual stuff on OnlyFans, but for the most part, if you're going on OnlyFans, that is the stigma that's attached to it. And I understand that COVID is hard, hit a lot of people hard, and they're trying to make extra income. However, I feel like our morals are definitely taking a hit, especially the women. I feel like a lot of, and I'm not generalizing, so I'm not saying all women, but I feel like a lot of women will sell sex, sell their bodies for a quick buck, a quick come up, just to say I can buy the new Birkin, I can go on vacation, I have the 2020 Beamer, or Benz or G-Wagon or whatever. I feel like a lot of women will go the extra mile on OnlyFans to say they have materialistic things or they gained something off OnlyFans. They weren't just showing their bodies for free. But at the end of the day, who wants something that everybody has seen? When time come now, fee, you get wife up and you say you're ready for wife life. Who exactly is going to want somebody that if the whole world knows what your private areas look like? And I'm not trying to come for anybody, I'm not trying to shade anybody, but I know a lot of people will say that I wear these teeny tiny bikinis and stuff, but the stuff that they do on OnlyFans is crazy. Okay, they do a lot of sexual stuff on OnlyFans, and most of the time if you're going on OnlyFans, that is the exact reason why you're going on OnlyFans. You want to see the sexual stuff. So I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, I'm not gonna try to make it sound better than what it is. It is what it is. I honestly just feel like our moral compass has dwindled down tremendously, especially as women, and the things that we will do for money and a quick come up, or to say that we are make XY amount of money, or we have this in the bank or that in the bank. But when it comes time to wife life and you want to change your life and you want to live different, who is going to want something that everybody's seeing, or everybody can say, let me see all of that on OnlyFans already. Like, she ain't nothing special, she ain't nothing to wife. I'm not even gonna talk about the woman them alone, me I talk about the man them too. And I'm trying to shade anybody, I'm not trying to come for anybody. I'm just saying I wouldn't do it. And I know a lot of people are going to say that on OnlyFans, there are a lot of people that are on OnlyFans that don't do any sexual stuff, and that's where I don't have a problem with OnlyFans. You can get paid doing whatever you like, and if your supporters really support you, then they'll go over there and pay for a subscription. I know one girl that's here on YouTube, she started at OnlyFans and she was just showing people behind the scenes of how she make money on YouTube, how she become an influencer, how to do YouTube and stuff. And if that's the case and that's what you're doing on OnlyFans, I have no issues with it. I feel like it's everybody's business what they want to do. I'm just speaking my opinion, and don't even think I'm shading anybody, because if Riri said, okay, Burns on the beat, I'm going to give you X amount of money and you need to model in this Savage X Fenty lingerie, I need 1 video a month and 1 picture a month, baby, I am definitely doing it. I don't know what the hell this is. If her price point is right, I am definitely going to do it. I don't think I could say no to Rihanna. So I'm not trying to shade anybody, I'm not trying to be shady or anything, but I just feel like our moral compass and what we will do as women for money has dwindled down dramatically. Like back in the day, you won't ever see nobody there do this stuff. except those 1 and 2 girl where we say ah whore. But now everybody is willing to do it if the price is right, and I feel like that is scary. Very scary. Personally, I don't have an issue if people are on there just people are on there. I can't find the other one that I was using. If people are on there just sharing like tips and tricks or doing content that they can't do here on YouTube, like I don't have no issue with that. But when you drape up your vagina in your underwear and one pum pum draw out a door and all these things, that right there is where I draw the line. So what are your thoughts on OnlyFans? Comment in the comment section below, because I know a lot of people have a lot to say, and people might think I'm judging harshly, but I'm not. Just doing commentary videos, and I don't know what the hell this is, and seeing, I need to wipe this off my damn face. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear, and this is in 510, I think. Yeah, 510. I feel like, especially doing commentary videos, you see like all the craziness that happens with our generation, and I feel like it's up to us to set examples for the next generation, and I don't feel like at this point we're doing that great of a job. At setting an example. These kids are growing up thinking that if you don't have a Benz by the time you're 20, then something is wrong with you or you're not doing something right. Like the amount of pressure to attain materialistic stuff and money is crazy, and I feel like a lot of these kids are going astray very early because they think they have to keep up with the Joneses. But yeah, that's just my thoughts and opinions. And let's talk about something else. The Angel, she, they're on OnlyFans. They sell underwear on OnlyFans. I'm not knocking her hustle, but she have kids. And no matter how protected or how much of a church school you think you're sending your kids to, kids are kids, and they are vicious, okay? Don't think these kids nowadays are on social media. I don't care how much of a big high class Christian school you think you send your kids to. These kids nowadays love the internet. I just hope her son isn't getting bullied or getting any backlash because of what she's choosing to do. And you know what Jamaican people say, once you're in a public eye, everything you do or say is going to be scrutinized. So I hope she took that into consideration with what she was doing. And by the way, not the Angel same one day cut spice how she dressed like stripper other day, and now the Angel they drip up her pom pom on OnlyFans. The shade. Yes, that was shade. This is a bit dark. I think this is my summer shade. but whatever, we will make it work. I'd rather my foundation be too dark than too light at this point. If you have combinations skin and you like a foundation that's not too matte and not too like oily or satin finish, I feel like this is the perfect medium. It's not too matte and it's not too satiny, so it's perfect. Even if you have dry skin, I think this would work great. I just have this one dark mark. It never seems to get covered. My two favorite. This is e.l.f. Hydrating Camouflage Concealer and Fenty Beauty in 310. So so my grandma called me the other day and told me that she hasn't have any. This is not going to be the color. She hasn't had any water in our pipe then for almost 5 months now. So what I love to know what Jamaica Water Commission is doing, especially in a pandemic. Like, what are they doing? People there, them yeah, them need to be, them need to feed them picnic, them need to cook, them need to clean. Like, what them want people do? And how come they don't have water? Like, me understand, me come from country, me come from. So I threw on some lashes and I feel like this look would go perfect with a nude lip or a red lip or some gloss. And I'm just gonna put on my favorite lipstick. I've had this lipstick forever and I can't seem to find any lipstick that this is close, super close to my lip color. So, and I can't seem to find this lipstick anywhere. I think they don't even make it anymore. But anyways, and then I'm gonna use some, and that lipstick that I just used is the Neutrogena lip plush in Rose Suede. Now I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in Fenty Glow. Huh? I'm filming content.
Can you hear the baby now?
Yeah, I can. Alright. So I need to do my hair. So So I was just gonna make you guys just watch me do my hair, but I had to talk about this whole Birkin situation and this whole Birkin conversation that have been taking place. So let me start it off by saying this. I love when black women get whatever they want, whether it be luxury cars, luxury bags, luxury clothing, whatever you want. As long as you're independent, you're hardworking, and you are buying what you want for yourself, kudos to you. What I can't stand though is when women feel like men are supposed to give them a lifestyle they can't afford on their own. So if you can't buy yourself your own Birkin, do not expect no man to buy you a Birkin. Okay, this is how I feel about this whole Birkin situation. And for me personally, don't buy me no Birkin, please. Okay, buy me one house with my name on the title and my name only. Buy me an investment property with my name on it and my name only. Buy me some shares in Amazon, Walmart, Target, any one of these companies, Uber Eats, DoorDash. Buy me some shares in some company in Wall Street. Okay, put my kid's name down on a investment property. Put my child's name on your credit card if you're good with your credit, to make sure that my kids, when they get older, they will have top-notch credit and it won't be something they have to worry about. Talk about that. Talk about men being emotionally and spiritually available for you, not about money that they can put in your hand or in your pocket or buy you a bag. Talk about that. Talk about men being emotionally available. What about that? That's not important? Talking about men actually being men and being protectors and providers and actually providing for their family. Talk about men being able to be in a monogamous relationship without cheating, whether that be physically, emotionally, or just lusting on social media. Talk about that before y'all talk about Birkins. This whole Birkin situation really got me a bit annoyed, but I understand that my people are lost, especially the women. Like, our women are so lost. We're always making these brands more money, and before we put back our money in our community, we're giving these people back all the wealth that we have attained by buying these expensive ass clothes and these expensive ass bags from these white people that don't give a damn about us, our culture, and our people and our kids. This is the part that gets, why don't y'all say, okay, I'm gonna put my money on this black owned handbag brand. This is what we're rocking, and talk about it in your raps and promote black handbags and handbag makers and luxury brand. Honestly, I want a Teflon Global bag. And Teflon Global bag is not that expensive. It's like the large one is $250, the medium size one is $200, and the small is $150. And that's like a luxury bag to me. That's something that I want because it's a black owned brand for everybody. It's a unisex bag also. So that's where I stand on this whole Birkin situation. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section about this whole OnlyFans thing. Do you think you would do OnlyFans? Would you let your partner do OnlyFans? What are your thoughts on this whole Birkin conversation? So, this is how the hair looks, styled and everything. I am going to switch into my outfit with the power of editing, and I'll see you in the next clip. I was gonna insert my outfit, but my computer completely crashed on me, so all that footage that I was gonna use is gone, so I'm sorry about that. But if you follow me on Instagram, you will see the pictures that I posted, and I'm gonna post them here. And also, a lot of my content for November was on that computer, pre-planned, pre-edited, and all of that, and it's gone. So I'm gonna have to start from scratch. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless.